SPM, English Paper 2. SPM, English Paper 2.
Speech writing. Speeches are talks delivered by the presenter during formal or social occasions. It is usually a speech on a topic to pass on information or advice to the audience. A health talk. With more research and new findings, beliefs that were once carved in stone have become questionable. The cholesterol issue is one example. Talk about cholesterol and heart disease immediately comes to mind. While the risk of developing heart disease is associated with high cholesterol, there are many other factors that have to be considered rather than just a poor cholesterol reading. Some researchers have even argued that cholesterol is not the only culprit of heart disease. Other factors include a family history of heart disease, high blood pressure, being diabetic and highly overweight, leading a sedentary lifestyle and being a smoker. Age is also a contributory factor because cardiovascular disease risk increases as one grows older. Men are at a greater risk of developing heart disease at an earlier age compared to women. This is attributed to the protective effect of the woman's hormone estrogen against heart disease until menopause, when the risk becomes the same. Some of these risk factors can be changed or modified, unlike the non-modifiable ones. For example, you cannot change your age, gender, height, or the genes which you have inherited from your parents. Low physical activity leads to obesity and high blood pressure, and all these factors increase the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Hence, a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle are the way to go. A healthy diet helps manage blood sugar, maintain healthy weight, lower blood pressure, and thus, maintain a healthy cardiovascular system. Poor blood sugar management leads to diabetes. Due to the damage inflicted on blood vessels and nerves by high blood sugar, the incidence of heart attacks and strokes are at least 3 times higher in diabetics compared to non-diabetics. Diabetics must manage their blood sugar level well, and this means being careful with their diet and lifestyle. Maintaining a healthy weight also decreases the risk of heart disease. Being overweight or obese is now a growing concern, as more young people are already this way. Obesity leads to diabetes, gallbladder disease, arthritis, and high blood pressure, which further increase the risk of heart disease. Maintaining a healthy weight also decreases the risk of heart disease. Being overweight or obese is now a growing concern, as more young people are already this way. Obesity leads to diabetes, gallbladder disease, arthritis, and high blood pressure, which further increase the risk of heart disease. By decreasing the modifiable risks, the chance of getting heart disease is also lowered. When the cholesterol level becomes high along with such risk factors, cholesterol-lowering drugs may need to be taken. It is best to work with your medical practitioner to lower your risk of cardiovascular disease. Borderline cholesterol readings may benefit with a diet that is high in fiber, whole grains, beans, pulses, lentils, vegetables, fruit, garlic, onions, nuts and seeds. Omega-3 fatty acids in fish oils or oily fish, the Indian herb gugulapid or the Chinese approach with red yeast rice may be useful in lowering cholesterol levels. Adapted from the New Straits Times, January 30, 2006.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.